The DENFIX TS06 roof mount kit is designed for easy installation with a custom adapter that securely fits the Starlink Gen 3 and Rev 4 dishes, allowing for seamless integration. This mounting kit offers a full 360-degree horizontal rotation and a 110-degree tilt, providing optimal signal reception from various angles on your roof or wall. Constructed from high-strength, corrosion-resistant steel, the DENFIX TS06 is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring durability for long-term outdoor use. The kit includes a concealed cable port and clips to keep your Ethernet cables organized and protected, maintaining a clean and efficient setup. With the complete installation kit, including a pipe adapter, extension pipe, support base, and necessary tools, setting up the DENFIX TS06 is straightforward and efficient. The DENFIX TS06 roof mount kit combines functionality and durability, making it an excellent choice for Starlink users seeking a reliable mounting solution.